Have you already made money online? Does your PayPal account look like this? What you're about to see will alter all of that. After seeing this short video, you'll be capable of getting this, to this, and even this by utilizing this new website right here. I'll teach you precisely how to create free PayPal money without doing much effort or putting in a bunch of time at all. No matter how little funds you currently have, you could use this simple approach to receive free PayPal money quickly and repeatedly. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. So for today's video, I'll teach you how and where to earn free PayPal money without paying a dime. Before I tell you, please remember that this method will not make you an internet millionaire. You will only be capable of making hundreds of dollars online. This method is for people who want to make an additional $30 or $120 online, perhaps to open a business, purchase something, or support their family. Keep in mind that it is only a simple way to make some extra online money. Alright, we're going to use 4 simple ways to earn PayPal money. If you would like to start making this strategic decision, check out this video all the way through, since you must use 4 of the methods seen in this video for it to be effective. Nevertheless, since you're searching for the fastest way to get money, the third option is particularly suitable. But if you're only focused on the top paying possibility, the fourth option is ideal for you. But if you apply all of these tactics, you will indeed be able to earn money, and they are all entirely free. So make sure to watch the full video and check all to boost your income potential. Let's begin with our first option for making free PayPal money online, which is called Adipol. What exactly is this app and how can we make money while we're here? It's a mobile app that pays you with redeemable points for taking infrequent surveys. This app is owned and operated by a British firm that was founded in 2016. It has over 5 million downloads on the Google Play Store and a 4.2 star rating, indicating that it is a 100% legitimate app for making online money. Get paid to do surveys on your smartphone. All you need now is a smartphone and internet access to get started. Check out this Take Surveys, Get Rewards page for more information. All you must do is download and install this app on your phone and then begin doing surveys that seem to be simple and entertaining to complete. You will be compensated for every survey that you accomplish, and that's all about there is to it. Among the most beneficial aspects of this tool is the ability to customize how many surveys you obtain per day and the length of the surveys. Now, if you wouldn't want to take a 30-minute survey, you do not even have to. How much money can we truly gain from polls? You can expect to earn between $2 and $4 each hour by taking surveys. When you log in, you can see the available surveys. Each survey gives the reward as well as an estimate of the duration required to finish it. It will assist you in prioritizing the most engaging and well-paying surveys. If you really want to make more profits with this app, you can join their referral program and receive a commission by simply sharing your referral link with your friends. You will receive a referral bonus for each new user that signs up through your link. With this application, you may earn extra additional money in your free time by completing short surveys. There are indeed a number of surveys to finish, and you can get cash, gift cards, or make donations from actual people. Watch this video right here to understand more about this app and how it works. They'll teach you about how to use the app and makes free money online. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Alright, so now let us proceed with the second app in which you can make extra money online. So it is Adaclick.net. How do we earn money on this website? It is a site wherein businesses may promote their goods and or services, and users could get compensated for viewing those brief advertisements. This website already has more than 200,000 members, completed over 67,000 offers, and paid more than $16,000 ever since the website was created last 2020. It is a simple way to generate income since all you must do is click on advertisements. Start by looking at this Earn Extra Income from your internet activities. You can earn the money by taking a survey, completing offers, clicking ads, joining contests, and referring others to this website. And right here, we can see they provide many withdrawal methods, including Payeer, Skrill, and much more. So according to this site, you can make up to 4 cents per click. But even so, how much you can really earn is about typically around $5 per month. If you're curious to know if this site is a scam, don't even worry. It's not a scam. But just don't expect to receive such as $70 per month. With this website, you'll be capable of making only around $5 a month, but $5 a month is actually quite good to begin. Click on Join Now and then fill in these info and start creating your free account. The third method I'm going to teach you is the safest and easiest way to earn free PayPal money. And I know you'll really like it because it pays you for doing exactly what you've been doing. This is Swingbox.com. Here on this site, you can generate income from watching quick and concise videos. Yes, simply grab your phone, go to Swingbox.com, and begin playing videos. For every video you view, you'll get compensated. It's just really simple. As you'll see, you get paid every 15 seconds right here. They provide many ways of earning extra income online. You can browse commercials, just click and earn, watch movies, complete tasks, and use their affiliate program to get even more profit. Earn up to 3 cents per click, 2 cents per sign up, and $20 per referral upgrade. Sharing your affiliate link with others to increase your income potential. They have already paid over $24,000 to their 14,000 members. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Now I've been using this site for a couple of months and I wasn't able to make a huge amount of money with this site. On average, I made between $5 to $10 a month with Swingbox. This is not the highest paying site, but this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you're interested in watching videos and earning about $10 a month, this website is a great option for you. Then to get started, click on register. Once that's done, fill in these details and create your account. So this is swingbox.com. Also, I'm going to be showing you the top earning option to generate extra income online, which is Capterra.com. Capterra is an online review website that pays users for reviewing products or services. You may review a variety of software, including Google Docs. I've used this site for over a year already, and I can say it's one of the best websites to earn money online. This is totally legit and pays well. Anyone can do it, and this is completely free. And signing up on this website is amazingly fast and easy. There is also no long process for registration, even though all you are needed to do here is sign in with your LinkedIn account whenever you want to review a product. Okay, Capterra, how much money can we make? It pays $10 every review you submit. You can write a review about Zoom, Asana, ADP Workforce, TeamViewer, and there are many other mobile apps that you might write a review about and then earn $10. With every review, think of this earning $10 for a quick and easy review you write. If you write 5 reviews, you'll earn $50. Now you may assume this is a scam site, but it isn't. As I already said, I've used Capterra before and I've successfully withdrawn my profits. I'm not going to be showing you how to write a successful review in this video, but I can provide a detailed lesson on Capterra and how you can utilize it to earn free PayPal money in the upcoming weeks. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!